Alright, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, and I'm back with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I've been doing bread for like almost most of the month of September, and now I'm back. For you, Christmas is over. Right on, I hope you had a good one, if you enjoy such things. Today I've got a new one from Malaysia. This is KampongKu garlic black pepper fried noodle. This is a mee goreng. That's what fried noodle means. And I am very excited to try this. Anything new from Malaysia, that floats my boat. So, got a paste sachet. We're gonna drop this in here. Give her all 3 minutes. So yeah, I've been like doing the bread, and all of them worked out pretty well. There was one that didn't, and that was when I took Shin Ramyun, ground it up with a magic bullet, it's a little high-speed blender, and made flour out of that and tried to make that work. Failed miserably, but I got on the horn with a guy I know. He is like, he literally wrote the book about instant noodles. I mean, he has a book. It's called Asian Noodles, Manufacturing, Processing, How to Make, blah, blah, blah. And he's a guy I met when I went down to Portland one time. This was years ago. And they have a thing called a instant noodle short course. He's moved on from there since then, but there's a place called the Wheat Marketing Center. And there were people from all over the world that worked in the noodle industry taking classes from this guy. Mimi, get out of my chair! Now. Now. Nope. Get. Time out. Go have a seat. Anyways, what you need is an emulsifier. No, go sit down. You're being a wackadoodle. You need an emulsifier. So you could use soy lecithin or whole egg for that. I might sound a little different. I'm sick. My daughter brought home the sick on Monday. Then my son got the sick. My wife, she's teetering on the edge. I feel like it's still coming on for me. She got tested negative. He got tested for COVID. Still coming back, but I'm sure it's gonna be negative. Basically, everybody's been in kind of a bubble for the last, 18 months? And everybody's been wearing masks around other people, and they still do, but like at school, they take their masks off to eat, and they're all still a bunch of stinky, snot-nosed kids to begin with. So before COVID hit, I used to call school the incubator, because I mean, every fall when the kids would come home from school, those Miles would come home from preschool, we'd get sick like 3 times in 3 months, because they just bring home every kind of yuck. So they're both home from school. Oh my. Mimi's getting on Miles's case. Miles, you're a bad boy. I thought they were gonna be good today, cause there's a new little My Little Pony cartoon. Hey, I'm not a brony or nothing. No, you're not a grown-up yet, Mimi. I said I'm not a brony. Oh boy. Don't be arguing out there. People in TV land don't want to hear arguing children. They want to hear happy, carefree children that don't make a lot of noise so they don't have to hear them. Okay? Thank you. So here's our noodle. Here's our paste. This is a black pepper and garlic. We'll see how this goes. Whoa, that's dark. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try doing the instant noodle bread again. I don't think I can go to the local store and get soy lecithin, but I do have whole egg, so there might be a special way you're supposed to deal with whole egg to make that happen. Look at this stuff, it's dark. There you go. Looks like a standard instant noodle. Smells freaking extremely good. This one appears not to have any fish in it. It's not, I don't think it's exactly vegan, but it looks like it's meat free. It's a halal for those who require halal things and foods. Speaking of food restrictions, I was talking to my brother the other day. He lives in Israel, and he's Jewish. And I asked him, I'm like, so what's the deal with kosher salt? I hear no, thank you, no baby shark. Oh my God, there's too much baby shark in the world. But anyways, he was telling me, so I'm like, what's kosher salt for? What makes it kosher? Is it mined somewhere special? Is there some kind of special ritual that's done before it's produced? No. The salt is just a little more coarse, and they're restricted from eating blood. So, like, say they had a steak. They take the steak, coat it in kosher salt, it draws out any blood that might be in that steak. Done. That's it. So when you've been going to the store and going, oh, I'm gonna get the kosher salt, it's more gourmet. No, it's just coarse table salt. But it's kosher. It's like, yeah, but it's you could use table salt and do the same thing, but the coarser salt draws out any stuff like that better from the meat. That's it. That's all it is. I always thought, oh, well, this is like blessed and a rabbi has to be present and this and that and the other. I don't know. No, that's not it. Well, let's try this black pepper garlic stuff. I'm really enthused. Smells good. Here we go. Wow. It mentioned on the packaging that this is a chunky paste. There's a lot going on in here. Oh man, that is good. There's a lot of garlic. The black pepper is just banging. It's not, it's coarse. It's like kosher salt. Very garlicky, very, yeah. That is good. I like that. I would eat that all happily. All right, so let's make it so. Make the baby shark stop, please. Okay. But there's a couple more varieties by this brand I'll be reviewing too. I think there's a seafood curry and another curry. They're all mee gorangs. I think they're all mee gorangs. This is the first review I've done, I believe. This is the 24th. I think this is the first one I've done since the 7th. Everything else, bread. I think some people were getting sick of that, but I apologize. And I'm happy to announce I was gonna do it this week. Woo! Spicy! Right about that. I was gonna do a my top 10 list videos this week. I've got everything all ready to do them, except for I have 2 small children in the house that are sick. That does not lend itself very well to getting stuff like that done where I need peace and quiet so I can record video. Yeah, maybe right there. And some crispy fried garlic. Right about here. Right on top, some crunchy stuff. It is garlic and black pepper after all. Makes me want to put a little bit on the egg, but I don't. Maybe not black pepper, but maybe black sesame seed. An offset. Just a little. And because Malaysia is the place where I really learned of the wonders and beauty of the mung bean sprout, let's put some of those right there. Yeah, I like that. That floats my boat. Would you like to take a fantastic voyage? Slide, slide, slippity slide. That's what we're doing now. Rotato, do your stuff. Well, speaking of mung bean sprouts, this one is from Ace Cook. It came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is this is crazy. This is addictive. That's what it said on it. Addictive mung bean sprout miso ramen. And it's tied in with some kind of cartoon series or anime. God, it's the most horrible thing I've ever said. Where'd my phone go? I don't know where my... It's over there. Anyways, there's my phone. There it is. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.